Hello, and welcome to another update video about Jupiter. I haven't covered Jupiter for a while. I mean, it hasn't really done much, right? So it's just been moving sideways. The 1-2 setup we discussed before has never been invalidated. Yeah, we can debate whether the wave 2 finished here or here. That doesn't matter so much because the A wave would be a 3-wave move anyway. So it is possible that the B wave indeed bottomed in July, as we've had it on the chart. Some coins made a lower low. Many coins, in fact, made a lower low in August. Jupiter didn't. I wouldn't necessarily say that this is a sign of strength because the retracement was still very deep. And the movement to the upside is choppy. And, you know, it certainly wasn't the case that the bulls were just waiting for a rally because really market hasn't done much in the last few months. But it is still, technically speaking, a structure we can follow as bullish. Even though there are a few things I don't like about it, which is limited chart history. Very limited. A deep pullback in August, and the rally from the lows is choppy. Okay, so I don't like that, but it is clear that above 63 cents, this is a valid C wave that we can track, as shown here on the chart, which might take us to the $2 to $3 range. Quite easy to track that, because what we need to do is to measure the length of the initial rally. We go to the low of that B wave in July, and the 100% extension target, which is the first ideal target for the C wave, points to 266. Can always go higher, yeah, but this would be the first ideal target. Looking at microstructures, we have an initial 1-2 setup, and based on that measurement, the third wave should get minimally to $1.60, ideally even higher. Then the fourth wave should give us a nice corrective pullback, and the fifth wave could send us maybe close to 266 or higher. It depends really on how the microstructure is developing. So the main takeaway is, as long as we're holding above the key invalidation point at 63 cents, the focus could be on higher prices. Still worth being cautious, because an altcoin, you know, and they change a lot, and it's certainly not impulsive to the upside. But even this last rally looks like a 3-wave move, so just be a bit careful there. But overall, it's possible that this is developing as a, actually as a C wave in an ending diagonal. Just spotting that is how I had it before as an impulse. We'll need to delete that because this here it's very difficult to interpret this as impulsive to the upside. We'll not fully rule it out, but yeah, that can't be. We can't call circle 1 a 5-wave move, and then circle 3 a 3-wave move. But this is what was my thesis was before, like a 5-wave move in 1, yeah, and then wave 2, and then I was watching here for an impulsive start. Not really been impulsive, only as a, I mean, I'll show you an impulsive count, and I don't like it, but it is possible, but it just looks better as a diagonal. It is possible to say that this here was a wave 1, and all of this is a 2 in a running flat, and it's doing this. This is also possible, but wave 2s are rarely running flats, and it's a very wide wave 2. So it would be a 1-2-1-2 setup. So I'd rather call it a diagonal. Does it make a great difference? No, the invalidation point is the same, right? It's the same. But overall, it doesn't matter. That's more an academic question. The trend is up locally and from the 63 cent low. Next target for the bulls will be a break above those previous swing highs, around 97 cents here, these two, from September and August, and then a break above 122, which is the high from July. That's the update about Jupiter. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.